Greetings, traders. It is I, Abdul Shabazz, and this is where the trades were recap on this terrible Tuesday, August the 6th. Well, my original plan today was to take a 523 call. Okay, I wanted to get in at the 523.9 area. I wanted to get out at the 526.5, which is this area here. And my second profit taking target was the 528.6. Now, it worked out great, except for the fact that it didn't work out when I took it. If I simply would have just waited till this afternoon, it would have worked out better. Being completely transparent, we did get to my desired area. Okay, we got the close above the 524 area, and the next candle started off green. I got in on that candle and I got washed. Another problem that I had was I didn't use my bracket order, which automatically minimizes my back end risk. So I lost a little bit more than I normally would my average paper cut size. The second mistake I did wrong was an emotional, okay, I think I must be wrong. So now let me go ahead and go with the trend. So rather than letting this candle close, being that this candle flushed red and this candle opened up red, the 1030 candle opened up red, I assumed that we were going red, not allowing the candle to close, but it clearly shown me the error in my ways. When it did close, revealing the hammer on the very next candle, I got out. My third trade was a successful call. Now, I didn't get in at my ideal area where I want to get in at, around that 524. I was scared out a little bit because of this upper wick showing rejection from the bears of higher prices. So I let this candle get going a little bit, and once we cleared that wick, I did get in. The problem was, because of these first two paper cuts, I then tried to make up for that money in this trade. I was up over 70 cents per contract, and to me, for some reason, that wasn't enough, and primarily because we hit my first profit target area so fast, I wanted to hold on for the second profit taking target. Well, that didn't happen, and as we started trending down, I got out right here. Get better. I got out right there for pretty much break even scratch trade after being up nicely in the trade. The ideal trade I've marked out here in yellow, okay, with the yellow arrow, and it does go and work out according to my original plan. The plan was great, the timing was off. I should have gotten in it a little later, but now I know. This is that 524 area, which would have been a beautiful entry because we got the close above the 524, turning this resistance back to support, also breaking that controlled selling algo that had formed once we initially hit the 526.5 area. We broke out of that controlled selling algo, which also would have been an ideal place, hitting first profit taking area and then hitting the second profit taking area before we turned back into another controlled selling algo at the end of the day, providing a great opportunity for a short right underneath the 528.6 area as we broke out of overhead supply. We had a nice little bounce at the bottom of the controlled selling algo, got the top of it, rolled the top, and then we had a nice break coming towards the end of the day. What some action did we have today on the SPY? Overall, putting in a doji candle for today, putting in a like a shooting star candle body wise for today. Feel free to join us at 9:25 every morning as we do this. And thanks for the recap. Look forward to seeing you guys in the morning.